These could be great for jelly plate prints. And these up here with the fine, long, thin leaves that hit me in the head every day, those would be great too. I'm so excited. These are going to be really fun. Look at those. Okay, I'm back from my bike ride, showered, feeling really great, and ready to use the botanicals that I collected on my bike ride. I have a whole pile right here, as you can see. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to sort them out. I mean, I got lots of fun things that I used to look at a lot when I was on my bike ride and think, oh, these would make great jelly plate prints. And of course, I'm not sure that they all will, but I think a lot of them will be really, really fun. So I'm going to get set up and I'll be back. You can see it. All right, I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna use this color. Not my usual, but I'm gonna be brave. Do something very different. Here I go. Okay. Right. I think it's going to be beautiful. I hope it's going to be beautiful. I just hope all the details show up. That's what's important to me, is that my details show up. Okay, here we go. Okay. Here we go. I kind of wonder, while I'm waiting for this to dry, if using watercolor on these to kind of paint the leaves would look cool. I don't know. That'll be an experiment for another day. And if it works, another video. Okay. Okay, let me be brave and see. Ooh, no, it's not ready. Darn, it is not ready. Okay, ready? Okay. Oh, well, I'm quite happy with that. So I'm very happy with that. Whoa, that's beautiful. Well, thanks for watching. At the end of this, I will show you photos of each one of these. I actually had a great time. Thanks for being with me.